We are Rachel and Joe. We love adventure, exploring, boondocking, wildlife, the outdoors, hiking, birding, traveling, and immersing ourselves in nature. The idea of living in the moment without a care in the world has driven us to make this lifestyle a reality. Our dream is to live without commitments or schedules. We are working hard to be able to live this life full-time in the future, but for now, we are living it every chance we get. Today, we stayed local and drove about 20 minutes to Lake St. Clair Metropark and visited the Nature Center. The Nature Center building is really nice. It has lots of live exhibits on display. It was closed while we were there. There are 3 trails at the Nature Center. The main trail, which is 3/4 of a mile, the Meadow Loop, which is a 1/2 a mile, and the Marsh Roadside, which is a 1 mile round trip. You can easily do all 3 of these together. It does cost $10 per day to enter St. Clair Metropark, or you can purchase a year pass, which is $40, that will also allow you into any of the other 13 Metro Parks. The senior pass is $29. We are thinking these are turtle eggs, but not quite sure. What do you think? There are very many large carp in here. It was hard to get them on video, but they were just popping out of the water everywhere. We initially came to see the owls, but were unsuccessful. We were bummed we didn't see the owl, but that quickly went away when we saw this. I knew it was something we did not have. Merlin helped us identify and added another one to our life list.